Thank you for joining us here at the
Don't cover your face up there. Those are reading. How you
Okay, I just want to make sure. This is mine.
All right, head face.
No, I don't have that.
Yes, you do. Your eyes better be open. You better be open.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join Louis up ahead and find some musicians for our party. We're going to the party.
Yeah, the third one is a lot.
You calling about musicians? Man, it's hard to find a band in the dark.
Yeah, that's
You don't? Well, that's all right, Louis. We're just hitting our stride.
Looking for musicians? You don't have far to go. Everyone on the go is so.
So, race for water. It's not that hard of a drop. You can see the bottom.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here.
They can play, no doubt. We'll ask them to join the Bayou show.
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got just what we need.
A lot of water. A lot of water.
They sure can play, but we've got to keep searching high and low. Been there, done that. But you put on the sound, I was crazy.
Why are you so
You enjoyed getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big old beautiful self.
I just saw a white wall. I was like,
Get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
We're gonna die drop, right? See, that's the good. The drops in the ground. No, but that's the water. We weren't worried about the water. We were worried about the drop.
Like a towel?
No, actually. They have socks if you want to use the top. I'm sorry. I never needed a towel. I'm not gonna touch my dad. You just like earlier when you squeezed it, it went right up to my leg and street. Like, now you have to
Tiana sure knows how to make a party special. Yes, fill it up with special people like you. Be careful with up in knees, you bad boy. What a band! Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you.
Please keep your
thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, would you mind doing me a couple of favors? Click the like button, leave a comment below the video, click that subscribe button, and click the bell icon. You are all so wonderful and have a magical rest of your day. Bye.